So guys, as I was saying, I'm in Kitengela, and Kitengela is one of the fastest growing towns here in Kenya, Africa. Unataka kuona, say hi.
Very smart.
Thank you. What's your name? Mimi sieji, niko around. Nadu hivi unaona nafanya.
Hiyo sasa ni nini?
Mimi ni YouTuber. Say hi to my fans then. You have a nice smile actually.
My first smart.
Thank you so much. Sawa sawa. As I was saying that, thank you so much. Hi bro, how are you doing? Guys, I'm in a new town, new city here in Kitengela, and I'm so excited to be here. Let's explore and get to know how this place looks like, what Kitengela has to offer. It's not my first time being here, but remember, by the time I was there, I was not a YouTuber. I was just coming to relax. Actually, this is the best place you can come to relax. It has very nice places where you can still have fun. And guys, one of my first impression about this town, the mode of transport here, the mode of transport here in Kitengela is tuk-tuk. If you don't know tuk-tuk, these are the tuk-tuks here. I just want to go on to the other side, guys. Oh, I have to be careful. Hi! So I have to go to be careful also, guys. Guys, this is Kitengela. You can see how the tuk-tuks are so many. The means of transport here in Kitengela actually it's tuk-tuk. You can see they are over 100. If we start counting from that side up to this side, they are over 100. Isn't it, bro? There are so many, right? So let's keep on walking. Oh my God, how are you? Ninafanya hiyo kazi, hebu salimia hapa kidogo. Thank you. You can see tuk-tuk is the mode of transport here. Should I get one? Should I get one to take me to... Actually, I'm around this. This is the stage. I just alighted over there, and I want to go inside the town and interact with people. Hello, how are you? Oh my God, people here they are social, man. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube, right? Do you know a country called Jamaica?
I know it.
You know Jamaica? What do you know about Jamaica? What? Come tell us. Okay, thank you so much. YouTube Claudia Walks. Yeah, yes, yes. Oh, that guy, I just pretended I didn't know what he asked, but he asked me if I'm seeing someone. So this is main stage full of tuk-tuks and for that. So let's follow this route. And guys, so populated. This place is too populated actually. And I think I need to be careful also. Remember, this is my first time walking around while vlogging. Sasa, uko poa? Yeah? No, not at the moment. People here mean business. See how people are overworking over here. The sun is too hot and people are still working, guys. I think I should I go this way? Let me use this route. I might pass there and interfere with people's business. Okay. Let me go this way. I might go and get something nice to buy.
Leo hii tumekuletea dawa ya kunguni, dawa ambayo
Hey, how are you?
dawa hii
You're good. Say hi to my fans.
inamaliza kunguni.
What's your name?
Pia tuna dawa
Oh,
ya
you
panya
sell that?
aina ya baraki. Baraki ni dawa ya
What are you
panya
doing
ambayo
here?
ukimwaga kwa nyumba, harufu yake ndio
Let me show them.
kukuja kukula.
Oh, you don't allow people to touch that? Why? Oh, thank you. So let's keep on walking, guys, as we explore this place together.
Aina ya SMS. SMS ni
Poa,
dawa
poa.
ya mende ambayo inamaliza mende kwa nyumba na inamaliza kabisa.
You can see this guy is trying to advertise his business.
Ujipatie na utasaidika. Usikubali kukaa na kunguni, usikubali kukaa na panya, usikubali kukaa na mende.
Yeah.
Ujipatie hizi dawa na utasaidika zaidi.
Very populated place actually.
Karibu sana mwenyeji wa hapa. Leo hii tumekuletea dawa ya kunguni, dawa ambayo ni nzuri sana. Dawa hii tukipiga kwa nyumba, inamaliza kunguni pamoja na mayai yake.
Business as usual. Hi, mommy. How are you?
Dawa ya panya ambayo
You have a nice smile. You have a nice life. Let's keep on walking around. People are so crazy around here. Hi, poa sana. Wacha nite. Sawa, wacha nipige maraundi then nikuje. Uko poa? Unafanya nini? Hebu wasalimia kidogo. Wasalimia hapo, uambie unafanyanga nini hapo, and tell us if you know this country known as Jamaica. Actually, I'm from Jamaica.
From Jamaica.
Yes. Kingston.
Kingston.
Yeah.
I love Kingston.
Really? Huh?
What business do you do?
I'm a YouTuber, I'm a vlogger, I showcase. Yes, we are moving to the world. Yes, in Kenya. What do you love about Jamaica?
I love the bank.
You love the weed, the ganja. Okay, what else? What else do you love about Jamaica?
Jamaica, I like the ladies how they wine it.
Oh my God, you yeah. Actually, today I'm here with you to assist you sell this. So this guy loves the ladies from Jamaica, and guys, this is the first person to ask him about what he knows about Jamaica, if he knows Jamaica. And guys, Jamaica, our country is famous. Let me tell you guys. So big up.
The gents come to Kenya, so the ladies should come to Kenya.
The ladies should come. But I'm a lady, I'm here in Kenya. Yes.
Yeah, we need to see.
Can you give us like 5 artists from Jamaica?
Yeah, we have Tyrus.
Tyrus.
We have Conch. So, what we're going to do, you tell me this.
Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Yes. Can you sing for us one Jamaican song that maybe you love? I will assist you.
No.
Even if it's one chorus. That's one song you love about. You're not an artist, but you love Vybz Kartel, right? You know one of his songs.
The one he did with Wizkid. Do you know Wizkid from Jamaica?
Yeah, you can sing. Oh my God! The way you have a nice smile. My God! Sing for us.
Come on, I don't know. I've forgotten the.
You have made.
Are you now in Jamaica, man?
Thank you so much. Join Jamaica. They are
Claudia Walks, eh?
Yeah, Claudia Walks. They will watch you there. Can you tell my Jamaican fans something?
Yeah, follow and subscribe to
Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Who wants to sing for us one Jamaican song? Okay, thank you so much. What's up, man?
I'm very busy.
I know. So guys, let's keep on walking around as we interact with more people. And people here are operating like they are doing business like, hey, crazy man. Yeah. I think here they mean business. Business. So I have, since it's my first time walking around these streets, I have also to be careful with my camera and all that, because being the first time, guys, you don't know people around. Yes, we are exploring together, and let's go. I don't know what happened here. I don't know what's happening here. There is a big crowd. Hi. You're so beautiful. You want to say hi to my fans? Say hi. Hi, fans. I'm telling you, Kenya, we have the best, beautiful ladies. And if you don't, if you don't know, you can bet here. Look at this beautiful lady. So guys, I don't know what's happening. Oh, hi. I don't know what's happening.
People are purchasing shoes.
People are purchasing shoes.
Yeah.
Do they sell in wholesale, in retail, or what?
No, you just look for your size. Then once you get, you can pay. Then
Guys, you can see we have nice jackets over here. She's trying to check for our size too. Hi, mommy. Just say hi. You have a nice smile. Man, people here are so happy and I'm so excited, guys. I don't know whether I should go and purchase my shoes too.
Yes, go and look for your size.
You know, I normally walk in these streets a lot, so I need to get a lot of shoes, man. Thank you so much, Nani. I'm Claudia Watts on YouTube.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Claudia.
Claudia Watts on YouTube. People are so happy around. Guys. So guys, the place is so crowded, so I won't be able to go to check what's happening. But you can, from what you have heard from that lady, hi, from what you have heard that lady, they are purchasing shoes. Guys, busy. So let's keep on walking around, guys. I'm so excited to be here today. People mean business around. Hello, how are you doing? People. Oh, you hear that, guys? So crazy. But because of copyright, I won't put that part. So excited. Hey, how are you? You are cute. Say hi to my fans. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm Claudia Watts on YouTube. You're on YouTube right now. Thank you. So guys, let's keep on walking around as we interact with more people here in Kitengela town, one of the busiest streets around. Look at this. Guys, they normally use this kind of sound to advertise their business. I don't know whether I should go on that side. I am. Hi, Sasa. Si uniallow nipitie hapa tu. Thank you. Mkoaje, mko fiti? Sawa, asante. Hi. How are you? You are cute, man. Say hi to my fans. Oh my God. Do you know a country known as Jamaica?
I know.
You know Jamaica?
Very well.
What do you know about Jamaica?
But whatever I know there, nothing.
You know Jamaica, but you know nothing.
Yeah, I know nothing.
You do know Jamaica? I know. What do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
I know that they are growing back.
Oh, they are.
Yeah, mostly
They are growing back. The weed, the ganja thing. You know, here in Kenya, they are not allowed to use the weed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What apart from weed, what else do you know about Jamaica?
Mostly it's a developed country.
It's a developed, but it's not more developed than Kenya. The country is just developed because of the beaches and all that. Anyway, it's more developed. Anything else?
I know that they have more singers who are singing.
Artists. He's talking of artists.
Mostly they are
Okay,
musicians.
can you give us like 3 artists from Jamaica?
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley, yes.
That was the only one.
Bob Marley, who else?
Cocotte.
Who else?
Peter Tosh.
Peter Tosh. Thank you so much. Now, can you sing for us one Jamaican song that you love most? Yeah.
So,
I will assist you. Maybe it's for Peter Tosh, Five Cartel, any. Yes, any. Just one sentence. It's not like you're going to sing the whole song.
Like Komali, like any line.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Kuna dawa ya panya aina ya baraki. Baraki ni dawa ya panya
Yeah,
ambayo
sing.
unamwaga kwa
Sing, I'm going
nyumba.
to assist you.
Harufu yake ndio inaivutia panya kukuja kukula na inakufa pia.
Okay, let's
Na hii
continue.
panya ikikula
I'm
hainuki
going to
kwa
assist
nyumba.
you.
Na ndiposa tunakwambia jichukulie
Oh
baraki.
my God, why are you so shy? Anyway, I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube. Sawa sawa. Thank you so much. Make sure you check yourself out. Make sure you subscribe to Claudia Walks. Sawa. Claudia Walks. Walks ile ya kutembea, Claudia Walks. We are still walking in the streets of Kitengela. We are exploring this beautiful. It's my first time being here actually. Thank you so much. Bye. See you later. So guys, let's keep on walking around. People are so busy. They are doing business.
Leo hii tumekuletea dawa ya kunguni, dawa ambayo ni nzuri sana. Dawa hii ukipiga kwa nyumba inamaliza kunguni.
He's advertising like cockroach medicine.
Dawa ya panya aina ya baraki.
How to do away with the cockroaches in your home, in your house.
Harufu yake ndio inaivutia panya kukuja kukula na inakufa pia. Na hii panya ikikula hainuki kwa nyumba. Na ndipo tunakwambia jichukulie baraki na
The
nzuri
noise
sana.
here, the noise here.
Aina ya SMS.
The noise
SMS
here
ni dawa ya
is
mende
too
ambayo inamaliza
much.
mende kwa nyumba na inamaliza kabisa. Jichukulie hizi dawa kwa bei nafuu.
So let's keep on walking around.
Karibu ujipatie na utasaidika. Usikubali kukaa na kunguni.
Busy streets of Kitengela town.
Jipatie hizi dawa na utasaidika zaidi. Karibu sana. Karibu sana mwenyeji hapa. Leo hii tunakuletea dawa ya kunguni, dawa ambayo ni nzuri sana. Dawa hii tukipiga kwa nyumba inamaliza kunguni.
Yes, we are walking in the streets of Kitengela, guys. And bear in mind that, guys, I'm walking alone. I'm trying to see how people will react, seeing sorry. Yeah. Hey. You're good. Oh, this girl is so beautiful. We are on YouTube. Wow. Okay? Yeah. Let's keep on walking around, guys. People mean business here. The sun is too hot. And the sun is too hot. Unataka? Oh my God. This guy is calling me. Yeah? Oh, we are on YouTube, Claudia Walks. It's okay, no problem. YouTube, Claudia Walks. Okay.
Umeshanichukua wewe nani?
No, I'm just nimekuchukua tu saa hizi.
Sasa wewe ni basi nenda wewe.
Wasalimie. Wasalimie tu.
Sawa, mimi niko pita. Hi.
Sawa. I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube. Right. Hi bro. You look good, man.
Usinichukue.
Oh, mbona hutaki kuonekana kwa TV? Sawa. Oh my God. I'm coming, guys. People are calling. We are everywhere. Hey, mommy. I didn't pay money. How are you, mommy? I'm good. You are good. You look beautiful. Thank you, guys. I'm telling you, here in Kitengela, the sun is too hot. You can see this guy is using an umbrella. Uko fiti. Do you know her country known as Jamaica?
Yeah.
What do you know about Jamaica, mommy?
It's all about Jamaica.
Yeah.
But the man can tell you about it.
Thank you. You know about Jamaica?
Yes, I know about
What do you know about Jamaica?
it's all about the reggae.
Reggae music.
Yeah.
Can you sing for us one reggae song?
Just
Let me come here and assist you. Now we will
No,
sing
I'm
together.
okay.
We will sing. I'm assisting you. Okay, let's sing one reggae song.
I'm okay.
Tunasaidiana.
Back to my roots, eh?
Yeah. Sing.
I like a good, eh?
Okay, it's okay. Sing for us. The chorus on one sentence.
Tomorrow.
I'm not gonna come here tomorrow. I'm going.
Where?
You take on yourself on YouTube. I'm
Harufu yake ndio inaivutia panya kukuja kukula na inakufa pia. Na hii panya ikikula hainuki kwa nyumba. Na ndipo tunakwambia jichukulie baraki na nzuri.
This lady is so happy, man. Happy soul. People here are so happy. YouTube Claudia Walks. Sawa, mtajiona hapo, mtasubscribe. Tunatenda hata kupiga barazi bana. Takuja. There is a lady who was calling me, right? So guys, this, oh my God, you look at yourself, you're so beautiful, man. So guys, as I was walking through the streets, people are calling me, people are so happy they want to be seen on my YouTube channel. And you can still introduce yourself.
My name is Selina Nyango. I'm evangelist Selina Nyango. And I love the Lord.
You love the Lord. Amen, amen. I'm just from church.
Okay.
Okay.
Be blessed.
Thank you so much. My name is Claudia Walks on YouTube. Check yourself on YouTube, Claudia Walks.
Be blessed.
Thank you. Sorry. Anakuja. Poa. Guys, the streets are so busy. The sun is too hot, honestly, but we have to bear with.
Usikubali kukaa na mende.
Fiti sana, tuko pale YouTube. Tuko pale YouTube. Salimia mapantu wangu, waambie hello, your name. Okay, you are in Kitengela. We are in Kitengela, right? What do you love about Kitengela?
Warembo.
My God.
Warembo wanakwenda.
Warembo here means ladies, guys.
Kitengela kila kitu ni mali safi.
Mali safi.
Kitengela kunanga kitu.
Okay, do you know a country known as Jamaica?
Jamaica naijua bangi huko.
Oh my God, people are talking of weed here in Kitengela. Apart from weed, what else do you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica sijui kitu kingine.
Would you get a reggae? Reggae roots? Oh, he knows only about weed. Weed, hey bro, what do you love about Jamaica?
Jamaica is talk about the weed.
The weed. Kedukulu. They say Kedukulu. I don't know the meaning of Kedukulu, but I think it's weed. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube. Tuko pale kwa YouTube, Claudia Walks. Sawa, Claudia Walks. Walks ile ya kutembea, Claudia Walks. Okay, thank you so much. Hi bro. You're good. Sasa, uko poa?
Dawa ya panya ambao ukimwaga kwa nyumba harufu yake ndio inavutia pale.
Yani kwa hata tupige maraonda alafu tukam.
Na hii panya ikikula hainuki kwa
And the
nyumba.
place is so noisy, so noisy. Anyway, hello. So, oh, hi Sasa. Tuko YouTube pale kwa Claudia Walks. Tuko YouTube Claudia Walks. Sawa. Hata mtajiona hapo mkiuliza ni nini. Okay, thank you so much guys. Let's keep on walking as we explore these beautiful streets of Kitengela. God, they are so poor sana uko fiti. Sema hi. Good. So guys, despite the streets being busy, we have to do this guys for you.
What guys? What?
Yeah. How are you?
Let me call my friend here.
Where's your friend?
Where am I?
You are there. You are seeing yourself here.
Oh, this is GoPro.
Yes, this is GoPro. How are you doing?
Akizungu hatujui sana.
I don't know. My fans don't know and don't understand your language.
Oh, you don't know? Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yes.
Oh.
Do you know Jamaica?
The land of bad beaches.
Oh, the land of. Repeat again. The land of.
Bad beaches.
Apart from that, what else do you know about Jamaica?
You smoke a lot of weed.
They smoke a lot of weed. Anything else?
Good music.
Good music. Do you know how to sing?
Nah.
You are saying good music and then yet you don't know how to sing. You can still sing for us like one song.
I can't sing.
You can sing. Okay, thank you so much. I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube.
Can I get your number?
On YouTube it's there, Claudia
No, can I
Walks.
get your number?
It's there. My number is public. Claudia
No.
Walks on YouTube.
I want the project one.
I don't have another number. I have only one number that you can reach me out.
That's a public number.
No. It's the only number I normally use. I don't have two numbers.
Okay then, I'll watch.
Thank you so much. Let's keep on walking, guys. Whew. I think I should get away over here. Unataka kuwasalimia hawa wenye wanawochi hapa? Sawa. One of the busiest cities. And guys, as I said, that Kitengela is has got sorry for that. I'm saying that Kitengela is one of the fastest growing. Hey, you're good? You have a nice smile, man. Say hi to my fans.
Hi.
Oh my God. I'm Claudia, works on YouTube. You love Jamaica? What makes you love Jamaica?
Reggae.
The reggae. Oh, sing for us one reggae song. I will assist you. Let's go.
So 1, 2, Rasta is passing.
Hey.
I agree. Good reggae music.
Oh my God. Claudia works pale kwa YouTube. Wenda ujangalia hapo na usubscribe. Niambie YouTube Claudia works. Uniambie ni yule jamaa alikuwa amevaa yellow. Sawa sawa. Okay, thank you so much. So guys, because of copyright and the noise, guys, let me end this video at this moment. See you in the next one. Bye bye.